Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you guys about Dunn's River Falls. Now, recently we did a video telling about the plans that the UDC has to develop Dunn's River Falls. So I want to ask you guys, what do you think they should do to further develop Dunn's River Falls? Now, Dunn's River Falls is, as the name says, a waterfall in St. Anne in Ocho Rios. It's the number one tourist attraction, or the number one attraction in Jamaica. Over 1 million visitors a year visit the park or the area, or Dunn's River Falls. So it is owned by the Jamaican government and operated by the UDC. And the entire area that the UDC operates is 188 acres. Now, there is a section that is over 140 acres that does not include the waterfall. Remember, it does not include the waterfall because nothing should ever be done to interfere with the environment around the waterfall. It's one of the most beautiful places in Jamaica. So they're not doing anything to interfere with the actual falls. But it's 124 acres that the falls are not on. That's what they want to develop. So let's look at the top 3 tourist attractions now. Dunn's River Falls is number 1. I keep saying tourist attractions. The top 3 attractions in Jamaica. 1 is Dunn's River Falls. 2, or a second one, they're not in any specific order, is Dolphin Cove, which was in the news the other day for having, I think, bankruptcy or financial problems. 3, Mystic Mountain. I think that one is in receivership, financial problems. So it's good that the government or the UDC is moving to develop Dunn's River Falls because we don't want it to end up like the other 2. And the other 2 are very nice attractions. Dolphin Cove is where you can literally swim with dolphins. Very nice. Mystic Mountain, that's where they have the ridge lines up in the hills. Very, very nice attraction. But they're both in financial problems and hopefully they don't close, but they're in financial problems. So we don't want that to happen to Dunn's River Falls. So that's why it's good that they have hired a consultant to come up with a plan to expand Dunn's River Falls. So the latest was that they were to select the consultant by February 24, and they were to have the plans done and submitted, the expansion plans, in 3 months. We haven't gotten an update as to who the consultant is, but we will keep you guys updated. So guys, what do you think they should do? I think they should put up hotels on the 124 acres. Now, can you imagine Rio, Sandals, Royalton, Hyatt? They would all pay for the chance to put up hotels at Dunn's River Falls because it's not only the number 1 attraction in Jamaica. It's famous the world over. Everybody knows Dunn's River Falls. And if you could put up a hotel there on the actual property, I mean, you would still have the falls sectioned off. And it has no environmental impact on the falls. I think they should do it. Put up developments, whether it's hotels or residences. It would be a game changer, a gold mine for that area. And you could also put in more restaurants, more things to draw in people. Because like Atlantis in the Bahamas, it's the hotel, the entire thing is built around the park in Atlantis. You could build an entire mini city, an entire tourist thing around Dunn's River Falls if it's done properly. That's what we're thinking. So, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. But one thing is for sure, the possibilities are endless for that area. And 188 acres is a massive property. And to think 124 acres has nothing to do with the waterfalls, nothing. And the beach that's by Duns River Falls, they need to expand it, make it bigger. I don't know if they could make the falls bigger. I think it's a natural falls. But that whole area needs to be expanded, especially the beach at the bottom. So, guys, let us know what you think. But in terms of tourism, you could have some of the largest hotels in Jamaica right there. Every major hotel brand would want a hotel there. It's the same way you have Disney World, you have an entire city built around the theme park. Market, that's a much bigger development, but we could have a mini thing like that around Duns River Falls. Because, as I said, you don't want it to go the route of Mystic Mountain and Dolphin Cove. Alright, guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Have a good day.